trends in the industry, and they produce a labor market outlook report on an annual basis. And that report shows us that as a sector, nationally, we're going to need over 100,000 workers in the next 10 years. And a large portion of that is due to the workers who are going to be retiring within that time frame. So we know that Mining Essentials, Mining Potential, and Common Competency, those are the programs that are going to help to prepare individuals like you to take advantage of those different job opportunities. And in order to meet those hiring requirements and industry needs, the industry is going to have to attract and recruit underrepresented groups or groups that are currently underrepresented in the industry. So that's why these programs are focused on bringing in women, youth, newcomers, and Indigenous individuals so that we can attract and recruit you into the industry. So the programs were established to help mining companies and communities achieve their hiring and employment goals, to help teach those essential skills and work readiness skills that are truly relevant in any industry. However, they're taught through a mining lens so that you get to learn a bit about the industry at the same time that you're learning those skills. And then to allow you, the learners, to discover the mining sector through those practical learning examples, the classroom training, the enrichment activities, the site visits, and different scenarios and policies, procedures, and partnerships. So we hope you enjoyed the program. We really appreciate the feedback that you provide through those learner evaluations. We always say that all of our training is always a work in progress. We're always looking to update it, improve it, make it better. The best people to hear about those recommendations from are, of course, you, the trainers and the learners. So thank you for those comments. We're going to incorporate them into updates and future versions of the program. And then we also want to thank all the partners. So there's a lot of work that goes into the preparation for these deliveries to happen, right? So of course it's the school, it's the industry partner, it's the communities where the training is taking place. So we really want to thank College of New Caledonia, Artemis, and all the other partners that have been involved in the program, and really thank the trainers. There's a lot of work that goes into preparation every single evening for the next day, and delivering this to you and making sure that it's delivered in the most successful and effective way. So thank you so much to all the trainers and the site coordinators that have been involved in this program and really supported the success of the learners. The last thing I'll say is that we really do like to keep in contact with the learners to hear from you what this program resulted in terms of your career. So sometimes learners pursue other education as a result of this program because they've decided that through learning about the different opportunities in the sector, they really wanted to pursue a specific occupation. So they'll go into training for that. Sometimes individuals get entry-level employment directly in the sector. Sometimes learners decide mining's not for me, I want to go into a different sector. So regardless of whatever your choices are after this, we always want to stay in touch and hear. So you'll have the site coordinators or the trainers reaching out to you, typically around a 3-month mark and a 6-month mark post-program. So please stay in touch and let us know how things are going, and let us know if we can be any support to you in your career, whatever you're pursuing in your career. So I wanted to wish everyone the best of luck in your future and congratulate all of you for graduating the program. Good job.